Get ready to know the truth. Welcome to our channel, Truths and Facts.
Unveiling the Quran, an unparalleled authenticity. The Quran, a sacred text revered by millions, has stood the test of time, unaltered since its revelation. Its linguistic beauty, profound wisdom, and spiritual teachings are universally acknowledged. But its greatest testimony lies in its authenticity, a subject we delve into today. The Quran is recognized as the most authentic religious book. It differs from other scriptures in its preservation, in the original language, without any alterations. This unparalleled preservation over 14 centuries adds to its credibility. The Quran was revealed over 1400 years ago, during a time when science was rudimentary. Yet it contains facts that were only recently discovered. It's almost as if the Quran foreshadowed modern science. One such discovery is the Big Bang theory. Quran 2130 mentions that the universe was once a singular entity before it split apart, a statement that aligns with modern scientific understanding. The Quran also references embryology. Long before microscopes, Quran 23:14 described human development stages in the womb in remarkable detail, a fact later confirmed by modern science. Marine biology too finds mention in the Quran. Quran 24:40 explains the concept of deep-sea darkness, a phenomenon unknown in the 7th century but common knowledge today. The Quran accurately describes the water cycle. In a desert environment with limited understanding of climate science, Quran 39:21 outlined the process of rain, plant growth, and water evaporation, a testament to its authenticity. The mountain's role in stabilizing the earth is mentioned in the Quran 21:31, a fact geologists agree with today. Its description of mountains extending below the Earth's surface mirrors the concept of tectonic plates. In the realm of astronomy, the Quran accurately describes the sun's orbit. Quran 21:33 refers to each celestial body moving in its orbit, a fact established by Copernicus in the 16th century. The Quran even delves into the realm of quantum physics. Quran 34:3 mentions the atom's indivisibility, a theory not confirmed until the 20th century. Despite being a religious text, the Quran encourages the pursuit of knowledge. It prompts its followers to observe, think, and reflect on the world around them. Every discovery that aligns with the Quran's statement solidifies its authenticity and timeless wisdom. It's not just a book of faith, but a book of knowledge, inviting exploration and reflection. Scientific miracles in the Quran don't contradict established science. Instead, they complement it. They hint at a divine knowledge transcending human understanding. Scientists worldwide acknowledge these correlations between Quranic revelations and modern scientific facts. Their acknowledgement enhances the Quran's validity and authenticity. The correlation between the Quran and science doesn't undermine science. Instead, it reaffirms the Quran's divine origin and underscores the importance of embracing both faith and empirical knowledge. The Quran's scientific insights aren't its main focus, yet they serve as tangible evidence of its divine origin. They are signs for those who reflect and ponder. What makes the Quran unique is its perfect preservation, factual accuracy, and depth of wisdom. It's a book that serves all human beings, regardless of their beliefs. The Quran doesn't merely offer religious guidance. It provides a holistic approach to life. It bridges the gap between faith and science, embodying a comprehensive worldview. These scientific miracles are merely glimpses of the Quran's timeless wisdom. There's much more for us to explore, understand, and appreciate. The Quran is not a book of science, but a book of signs. These signs are visible in the natural world and in scientific discoveries, pointing to a higher truth. In conclusion, the Quran's authentic preservation, its scientific accuracy, and the profound wisdom it imparts attest to its divine origin. It is a book that transcends time and space, linking past, present, and future. For centuries, the Quran has guided billions with its spiritual teachings. And today it continues to inspire, enlighten, and fascinate scientists and scholars worldwide. The Quran's relationship with science is a testament to its timeless authenticity. It's a book that remains relevant and enlightening, even in the age of technology and science. It's fascinating that a book revealed in the 7th century remains scientifically accurate today. This enduring relevance underscores the Quran's uniqueness and authenticity. As we explore the Quran, we discover a book that is profound, inspiring, and infinitely wise. A book that guides us in all aspects of life. Unraveling the mysteries of the Quran and discovering its profound wisdom is a lifelong journey. It is a journey that enlightens, inspires, and transforms. The Quran is more than just a book. It's a guide, a teacher, and a source of unlimited wisdom. It is the most authentic book, standing the test of time and offering profound insights into life and the universe. Embarking on this journey of discovery with the Quran, we find a book that is not only authentic but also infinitely insightful. It is a book that continues to inspire, fascinate, and guide humankind. Let us embrace this journey, explore the depths of the Quran, and seek knowledge and wisdom in its verses. For the Quran is not just a book, but a timeless beacon of divine light and knowledge. Unlocking the scientific miracles in the Quran, evidence of a divine hand. The Quran, a sacred text for over 1 billion people, bears an impressive number of scientific truths discovered centuries later. This video explores these truths, connecting the dots between spiritual faith and empirical evidence. The Quran speaks of the universe's creation, mirroring modern understandings of the Big Bang. Notably, it describes an expanding universe, a concept scientists only confirmed in the 20th century. In the realm of geology, the Quran describes mountains as pegs, remarkably similar to the way scientists portray them as stabilizers preventing Earth from shaking violently. The Quran also touches upon oceanology. It mentions the existence of internal waves within the seas, an idea only scientifically validated in the late 20th century. Furthermore, the Quran's description of embryology is uncannily accurate. It describes the stages of human development within the womb, information that wasn't available until the invention of microscopes. The concept of fingerprints also finds mention in the Quran. It's fascinating that this text hinted at the uniqueness of fingerprints, a fact only scientifically established in the 19th century. On to meteorology, the Quran describes the water cycle in great detail, a process not fully understood until the 17th century. In the field of astronomy, the Quran refers to stars as guiding lights, much like how we use celestial bodies for navigation today. Further, the Quran talks about the sun and moon, each moving in a distinct orbit, an idea consistent with contemporary astronomical theories. The Quran even sheds light on zoology, describing the lifestyle and communication methods of ants and bees, which scientists have only recently begun to understand. Also, the Quran's references to the stages of plant growth and soil fertility resonate with modern agricultural findings. In the realm of human physiology, the Quran refers to the frontal part of the brain being responsible for lying and sinning, a notion that parallels with the understanding of the brain's prefrontal cortex. The Quran talks about the 7 heavens or layers of the atmosphere, something that matches perfectly with scientific knowledge about the Earth's atmosphere. Interestingly, the Quran also mentions the protective function of the atmosphere, a fact we're deeply aware of today. The relationship between lunar phases and the tides, as well as the interplay of solar and lunar eclipses, are also found in the Quran. Discussions of the formation of milk and cattle in the Quran are incredibly similar to those of modern animal physiology. The Quran's mention of iron being sent down is intriguing given our knowledge about Earth's iron having extraterrestrial origins. The Quran also talks about the benefits of dates and olives, which nutritional science today supports. Indeed, the Quran's discussions of various scientific domains long before their formal discovery are truly extraordinary. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.